Section 4, Dealing with Time and the Terminal. In this video, we will be working with instant. The standard time module has a struct called instant. Even though this represents a particular point in time, this is an opaque data type, so we won't use it to display date and time. Rather, we will measure the duration between two instants, and that duration is what we're really looking for. Let's go to the stats module and import standard time instant. Then let's go down and get the instant right before we start our first read, before the loop. We will use this start instant to display progress about how long PipeViewer has been running. So let's go down and add that as a field to our progress output. And then we'll put start in here, only an instant by itself isn't meaningful. We need the duration. So we'll call the elapsed method, which will get the instant now and subtract the start instant and return a duration. And then we'll call the asSeconds method on the duration to convert the duration to some seconds that we can actually format for printing. Let's go try it out. Let's start with our standard echo hello to our program. This won't last very long, so I expect our seconds to be 0. And indeed it is. So let's go and pipe yes to our program and redirect the standard out to dev null and see it count up. There we go. 1, 2, there's the number of seconds since the start. Let's go ahead and quit that, and then let's go change this to pipe our output into head. Let's get 10 million of those, redirect our output to dev null, and there we go. It took 1 second.